Nothing fancy about this recipe. Sausage with peppers and onions. I put a little dry oregano, salt, garlic, fresh tomato basil, and your favorite raw Italian sausage. And then I'll just cut it up. We'll look at it, and that's it. Have it on a hero, have it next to rice, have it with pasta, have it any way you like. Well, cooking this won't take long. I cut up the sausages, as you see. I put a little olive oil in there. These are going to give off fat, but a moderate to high flame. And then I'm going to put in the onions. If they take longer to cook than the peppers, which take only a few minutes, and I don't want mushy peppers in there. I want fairly firm. And I'm not cutting big pieces like you usually find with sausage and peppers. I like it to cling to the sausage, and also it's tastier. The thinner things are, the tastier they are. High flame, very little salt. The sausages are salty. Little dried oregano. Freshly chopped garlic and olive oil I have. That's the one I make, not store-bought. So a few minutes like this. Now to quicken this, just put a lid on it. After I put the peppers in there, I'm going to add my fresh homemade tomato basil sauce. Just bear with me for a moment or two. You know what? You can bear with me, but there's nothing to talk about. So, as you can see, this is cooking. You can hear the sizzling, so you want that. I'll shut this off and come back in a few minutes. Well, it's been about, I don't know, 3 minutes. I'm going to add the peppers now. You know this, like I said, they're not chunky. And it won't take long for this to cook. After about another minute, I will add the tomato sauce. It's up to the individual how much oregano or basil, either fresh or dried, to use on this. I'm just giving the amount that, to me, the ratio between the peppers and the sausage works. Of course, the peppers are going to shrink up. Want to keep them at least the green, if they can stay a little bit green while cooking. Now I'm going to add the tomato. Pardon me. And that is fresh. May not be that red looking, because the tomatoes weren't that red, deep red color. There's also people that take the sausage, cook it whole, and then cut it up. But it has a different appearance than if you do it like this. You have a high flame. Cover this. And come back in 2 minutes. So that's been a couple of more minutes. And we're really done. How do you know what the sausage is cooked enough? Well, take the spoon and cut right into it and look at it. See? If it's very firm when you press on it, you know it's cooked. So we are done. Now if you want, you could put a little fresh basil over it. Throw it in that nice heater that you have. Serving this with rice tonight. And it's a pound, so this is good for 4 people, unless they're really hungry. And there you go. Hope you enjoy it.